And I'm Ian.
Today we're going to be taking you on another Test Drive Tuesday with our 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Restomod.
This thing is sweet. Alright, let's do it. We ready?
I think so.
Alright. Whew, listen to that.
That sounds really good. It is a really good sounding car.
Oh man, I'm gonna have fun with this one. And we're off. A little bit of a humid day today.
Oh yeah, well, typical Florida day.
And lots of traffic.
Oh yeah.
Well, last minute change on our vehicles due to iffy weather. Might rain on us.
Yeah.
But
it looks like it's just kind of overcast, but
a little bit hazy.
With Florida, you never know.
Every 5 minutes is a different story. Alright, looks like we're getting a little opening here. Let's see what she's got. Listen to that purr.
That sound is so good.
Woo! That never gets old.
Got a really nice 383 stroker, so it's got plenty of power.
Oh, I feel it. Mm-hmm. It's almost a tease.
Cannot get over that sound. It is so good.
It doesn't take much to get up there.
And it drives smooth. It's got a Turbo-Hydramatic 350.
Yeah, it shifts really good.
Smooth, and it rides nice too. It's got upgraded sway bars and everything. And you know that a lot of times sway bars kind of help with ride. It seems like, you know, not as bumpy, not as floaty. It's really, it feels tight.
Well, we're going towards a little bit of the darker weather, but I think we'll be okay. Yeah. We'll get in and out. There's absolutely beautiful lines on this.
Mm-hmm. I mean, the 57 is such an iconic car.
Yeah.
The fins, and the hood. And
I can stare at the hood all day.
And the paint is really nice. It's nice and deep. Mirror-like finish on it.
Windy out.
Yeah, it is. Even cruising, that sound is so good.
It's right there on tap too.
This thing is nice. Nice and comfortable inside.
Oh,
bucket
these seats are awesome.
All custom leather door panels. It's got a tilt column, which is really nice. And air conditioning.
Yes.
Great in Florida.
Yes.
And got a nice new air system. I think it's vintage air. great car. A good all-rounder.
It is.
Cruising, good for shows.
Go to a car show. You can just take it out on the weekends. Starts right up.
Yeah, it does.
And that sound. Oh, another reason why I love my job.
Never a boring day.
No, absolutely not. Turn around here.
Man, the higher you get in the revs, the better and better it sounds.
That is great.
Oh, it's so good. It really drives well.
Everything's just so comfortable. The steering wheel, seats, plenty of leg room.
It's just a great car. Takes turns really well. It's on 18-inch American Racing Torq thrust.
Low profile tires.
Yeah,
grippy.
Michelin Pilot Sports.
As you can see, we got on it, pretty decent, and there was no signs of it letting loose.
No.
I mean, if you wanted it to, I'm sure you could coax it, but it's pretty confident, inspiring that you can lay into it and be pretty planted.
Yeah. Tell you what, I mean, looking over that hood is just a cool sight.
Oh, it is.
It's so nice, and the chrome on this thing is really nice too. Really shines.
Oh, it's gorgeous all around. I would be honored to have a car like this. Yeah, here we are going through a little bit of traffic, and it just shows how versatile it is to be whatever you want it to be.
Yeah. I mean, it just takes on whatever you throw at it. It's a really nice car.
And it just feels solid. That's what I love the most about these cars. Is like they always say they don't build them like they used to.
Oh, no way. Especially back in the 50s when this car was. I mean, everything's just so solid.
Yeah, you will never forget what you're driving when you're listening to that.
It seems to idle pretty nice. It's nice and smooth.
Yeah.
I really do like this headliner. It's really neat.
Well, the
Nice
interior
custom
was
headliner.
very tastefully done.
It is. I really like it. And usually, I'm not really a Restomod kind of person, but when they're so well done, like this one is,
And when you can make
You
it
can't
all
argue
fit,
against it.
everything works with it. It's a little modern with a little bit of, the classic, all kind of meshed together.
For sure.
Well, looks like we're gonna beat the weather after all.
Yeah. Of course, snow in Florida's lights. We might not.
It never fails. It never fails. Well, we would have beat the weather.
Yeah.
I guess that's another great thing about classic cars is you're never really in a rush to get anywhere. You just want to sit in it and enjoy it as long as you can, whether it be idling at a stoplight in Florida or cruising down the road. It's all a pleasure.
Yeah. It's all about enjoyment and fun, and that's what makes classic car ownership so great.
As opposed to my A and B work car,
Yeah. Well,
No.
my car is a little bit of
You
both.
have the classic car going on. Other than the AC, there's nothing really keeping me in mind. So. Oh, here we go. so tempting.
That sound just does not get old.
Somebody wanted to play. Here we are back.
Just such an awesome car.
She was gonna light them on that one.
So that's about it for our video today. Remember to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe and like this video for more going on here at Ideal, and
that's right.
More content.
The more views we get, and the more interaction with the public, you know, the more crazier we can go with the videos.
Yeah.
In all sense. So I look forward to seeing you guys next time, and thanks for joining us this time.
Yeah.
Alrighty.